What's up, X-Empire warriors and crypto enthusiasts? Big news is here. X-Empire is about to make a major splash in the crypto world. On October 24, 2024, the X token will be listed on not just one, but 6 of the biggest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. And today, I'm going to break down exactly what this means for you, how you can prepare, and why this is a massive opportunity for both investors and players alike. Let's get into it. First, let's dive into where X-Empire will be listed. We're talking about the big leagues here. Exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitget, Bybit, and OKX are all lined up to support the launch of the X token. If you're into crypto, you already know that getting listed on just one of these platforms can be a game changer. But X-Empire is going all in with 6 of the most powerful and well-known exchanges in the world. These are platforms trusted by millions of users globally and are known for their robust trading infrastructure, advanced features, and, most importantly, credibility. When a token gets listed on platforms like Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, it's an instant vote of confidence. It tells investors that this project isn't just another flash in the pan, it's a project with serious potential. Then you've got KuCoin, which is famous for launching innovative projects and offering a wide variety of trading pairs that allow users more flexibility. Gate.io and Bitget are known for their active communities and powerful tools for traders, while Bybit is recognized for its speed in listing new tokens, often ahead of the competition. And let's not forget about OKX, which bridges the gap between centralized and decentralized finance, offering users a unique opportunity to access both DeFi protocols and traditional trading tools. So, why should this matter to you? Well, when a token like X-Empire is listed across multiple major exchanges at once, it instantly gains massive liquidity. This means you'll have a much easier time buying, selling, or trading the token without facing price slippage. And higher liquidity also tends to stabilize token prices, preventing wild fluctuations. On top of that, being listed on these major platforms dramatically increases visibility, which brings in more traders, investors, and attention. The more eyes on X-Empire, the better its chances for long-term growth, and ultimately, more opportunities for profits for early adopters like you. Let's break it down. What are the benefits of having the X token listed on these top exchanges? Well, for starters, liquidity. Listing on platforms like Binance and KuCoin opens the doors to huge trading volumes. That means more buying and selling action, which is key for price stability and growth. If you're an investor, this is music to your ears because higher liquidity usually means a better chance at locking in profits or getting good prices on your trades. But that's not all. Getting listed on these major platforms also gives visibility and credibility to the project. Think about it, being on Binance or Bybit isn't easy. It shows that X-Empire is a project with serious backing and potential. That exposure means more investors, more hype, and potentially more value for the X token. Now, each of these exchanges also brings some unique features that will help take X-Empire to the next level. For example, Gate.io and OKX have some of the most active NFT marketplaces in the crypto space. You can imagine the kind of synergy that could happen once X-Empire NFTs start circulating on these platforms. And then there's KuCoin, the home of trading competitions and promotional events. If you love fast-paced action and big rewards, you're going to want to keep an eye on these opportunities. With KuCoin's history of successful project launches, we could see some exciting trading competitions around the X-Empire token that could net you some serious gains. And let's not forget OKX. They're doing something incredible by bridging DeFi and CeFi, giving you easier access to decentralized finance protocols while still benefiting from centralized exchange features. Oh, and if you love leveraged trading, OKX has you covered with up to 125x leverage, though, trade carefully. Now, one thing about Bybit, they've been known to list new tokens earlier than many other exchanges. This is a huge advantage if you're looking to catch early trading momentum. And the fact that Bitget has already opened deposits shows that things are moving fast. October 24th will be here before you know it. Alright, so the big day is coming, but what can you do to prepare? Here's the game plan. Get your exchange accounts ready. If you haven't already, make sure you're registered and verified on these exchanges: Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitget, Bybit, OKX. You don't want to be fumbling around trying to sign up on listing day. Pro tip: keep an eye out for any deposit or bonus campaigns like OKX's X Empire bonus, where they're giving out 1.65 billion X tokens. Set up alerts. Mark your calendars, set notifications, whatever you need to do to be ready to trade the minute the token goes live. Trust me, timing is everything when it comes to trading on listing day. Bitget, for example, will go live exactly at 12 o'clock Coordinated Universal Time, so don't miss out. Research trading pairs. Many of these exchanges will offer multiple trading pairs, whether it's X, USDT or X, BTC. Understanding the pairs available can help you decide how to trade and manage your risk. Stay updated. Be on the lookout for promotional events, trading competitions, and marketing campaigns. Exchanges like KuCoin love to run exciting events around new token listings, and that's a prime opportunity to maximize your gains. Alright, Warriors, we've gone over the key exchanges where X Empire will be listed, the incredible benefits of these listings, and the essential game plan to prepare you for launch day. Now, it's time to take action because October 24th is shaping up to be a monumental day for X Empire, and you'll want to be ahead of the curve to capitalize on everything these top-tier exchanges are offering. Let's not forget, this isn't just another listing, it's the type of event that can send shockwaves through the entire crypto market. We're talking about unprecedented liquidity that gives you a smoother trading experience, with ample buying and selling opportunities across platforms like Binance, KuCoin, and OKX. No need to worry about price slippage or market gaps, you'll be able to make your moves with confidence. But it doesn't stop there. The visibility that X Empire is about to get is going to be insane. Being listed on multiple major exchanges means that millions of traders and investors worldwide will have their eyes on this token. This level of exposure can't be bought, it's the kind of organic growth that can push a project to the next level. More eyeballs on X Empire means more trading volume, more demand, and potentially higher prices. And guess who benefits the most? The early adopters, that's you. Now, if you're the competitive type, KuCoin is gearing up to bring the heat with some trading competitions and promotional events around the X Empire launch. These events are gold mines for savvy traders looking to rack up some serious rewards while boosting their portfolios. And don't sleep on the OKX bonus campaign. With 1.65 billion X tokens up for grabs, there are plenty of ways to get involved and increase your stash before the trading even begins. So what's the next step? It's simple: gear up, get your exchange accounts ready, set those notifications, and mark your calendars for October 24th. This is your chance to dive into the action right from the start. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting into crypto, this is your moment to dominate the X Empire battlefield. So Warriors, prepare yourselves, sharpen your strategies, and set those alarms, because when the clock strikes on October 24th, the real action begins. Let's ride this wave together and seize the opportunity to be part of something massive. The X Empire community is about to make its mark. Are you ready to take your place in it? Let's go and make history. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more crypto updates, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow X Empire warriors. Let's ride the wave on October 24th and make some magic happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the battlefield.